Roblox won't open on your iPhone? No matter how many times you tap it, it crashes, freezes, or just doesn't launch at all. It usually happens due to app crashes, outdated software, or network issues. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when the Roblox game won't open on your iPhone. Let's get Roblox working right now. Before doing anything else, turn off the Do Not Disturb mode and low power mode. Then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and then turn it back off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. If it didn't work, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Offload Roblox app. First, open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the Roblox app here, then tap on Show All. Next, tap on Roblox. Then tap Offload. And again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Check your software updates. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see any software updates available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. And then you can update your Roblox from the App Store as well. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And there you have it. I hope your installing Roblox stuck error is fixed by now. If this video helped you out, then make sure to give this video a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.